As you probably recognize, I am back at this commercial property at which I have filmed a couple times before. So we're going to go ahead and start this building. That right there is a 2010 Carrier Comfort. It's a 2.5 ton heat pump. At least I think it's a 2.5 ton. Let's double check. That's a 3.5 ton. Not 2.5 ton, that's a 42,000 BTU. 2010 Whirlpool, heat pump running in heat mode. Carrier base models, these are from 2006. This one's a 3.5 ton. I don't remember what this one is. Oh, that's also a 3.5. Actually, no, that's a 3 ton. No, that's a 3.5 ton. Both the same size, but they looked small. One looked smaller than the other. I think that's kind of funny. And these three are Lennox Merit Series. This building has gas heat instead of electric with heat pumps. And these are from 2014. This one's a 4 ton, this one's a 3 ton, and that one's a 4 ton. Got a video of this one running last spring. It's got an interlink motor. Those are from 2017. Or actually, weren't those actually running? Okay, never mind. Didn't think so. That building has gas heat. That building does as well. And the rest are all electric. It is cold enough for a defrost cycle. I think it's like in the 30s or 40s right now. But I don't have time to stick around. A couple of 2008 Reams, or 3 of them actually. That one is really quiet. And I believe that one's a 4 ton, but I don't remember for sure. And there's a couple of Carrier package heat pumps behind that fence. And a Ream. But that building is being occupied, so I don't think it would be the wisest choice to poke around it. There's 4 trains over there. Those are at my orthodontist. Don't know if those are heat pump or straight cool. I just heard one of those Bryants start up. Got an LG scroll compressor. It's a greased up lift unit. The date on that one. And a couple of trains. This one's got a reciprocating compressor, Clima-Tough. This one's got a scroll. There's the energy guy on this one. It's too faded to decipher the SEER rating. Yeah, these are both from 2013. This one's a 2.5 ton, and that one's a 4 ton.